Love doesn't fade because people change. It fades because connection does. Psychologists say strong relationships are not built on constant romance, but on consistent emotional safety. When two people can be their most honest selves, without fear of being judged, rejected, or ignored, that's when love becomes unbreakable. It's not about how often you say, "I love you." It's about how often you make each other feel loved. The truth is, passion starts relationships, but understanding keeps them alive. Real love isn't found in perfection. It's built through patience. It's the tiny acts that matter most. Listening when they're tired, staying calm during arguments, and choosing to care even when you don't agree. Psychology teaches that the strongest couples don't avoid conflict, they repair after it, because healing together is more powerful than pretending nothing's wrong. So if you want your love to last, don't chase constant excitement, build emotional safety. Because in the end, love that feels safe is the only love that truly stays.